Hello netizens, how are you all? In this video, I will show you how to install CapCut in your PC. First, you have to open a browser, then search CapCut for PC. After that, you can see an interface like this, CapCut desktop. Okay, powerful free video editing tools. You have to click on this URL, then you can see a web page like this. So you have to click on download for free button. While you are clicking on this button, you will be redirect in a new tab. After that, you can see the download is start. You have to click on that downloaded files. You have to click on yes button. So after clicking on the yes button, you can see that the CapCut is installing to our PC. So friends, from now I can edit anything of the videos in my PC with CapCut, right? I hope you learned how easily you can install CapCut in your PC, right? If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more tech solutions regularly. Thank you.